Hello everyone and welcome to my channel about makeup. I am Anastasia Pereira and here I share my makeup ideas, secrets and techniques. In this video I will do supernatural makeup for such a beautiful and inspiring model. She looks perfect without any makeup, which makes my task really complicated to keep and highlight her inner glow, youth and brilliance and not to overload. So let's see how I solve this task. I always start my makeup with the skin preparation, cleansing and toning, and you might have seen and understood already that it's one of my favorite products for this purpose. I apply two hydrating products, a serum and moisturizing base on top, to make skin healthy, glowing, hydrated and prepared for seamless foundation application.
Oh my dear, please walk with me until the sun rises back again. Oh my dear, please stay forever.
I take a tiny drop of natural skin effect foundation and mix it with a drop of face oil and slightly touching buff it into the skin with this soft, super comfortably shaped brush.
Oh my dear, please sing with me. We could share the
Under the eye area I correct a little bit, because it's not necessary at all to create any hard coverage in this case. I work with a pinky peachy corrector. I take the product right on the brush like this and I get the thinnest layer of product possible, because the brush absorbs part of the product and that's what makes the blending flawless, easy and quick.
Oh my dear, please would you be mine? We could do what love is all about. Oh my dear, please hold my hand. This is all I want, this is all I need.
With a transparent matte lipstick I create some light blush and apply it very quickly on both cheeks.
Oh my dear, please walk with me until the sun.
Next, a bit of bronzing and correction with a very light bronzer buffing under the cheeks, on the forehead, on the chin, creating a really natural shadow and bronze effect.
What love is all about.
Same brush and same palette, I mixed two shades on top of the lipstick base.
Oh my dear, please sing with me. We could share the love across the universe.
A little bit on the nose as well. With the same light bronzer, I go a bit in the eye crease, creating a light shape of the eyes for easy further eye makeup.
Oh my dear, please would you be mine? We could do what love is all about. Oh my dear, please hold my hand. This is all I want, this is all I need. Oh my dear.
And now it's time to add some glow on the cheekbones, using the same brush.
Rises back again. Oh my dear, please stay forever. Time will tell what love is all about.
Next, moving on to the eye makeup. This is a beautiful, super high quality basic eyeshadow palette that I adore. I'm blending this nude satin shade on the whole upper eyelid and in the crease. Then I'm adding some pink and then some darker shades in the outer corner and blending it to the center and in the crease, darkening the outer corner and creating a kind of triangle that prolongs the eye shape.
Oh my dear, please sing with me. We could share the love across the universe. Oh my dear.
With the previous color, I blend everything together to get flawless borders. And I'm blending the same colors on the lower lids.
Oh my dear, please would you be mine? We could do what love is all about. Oh my dear, please hold my hand.
Then I will line the lash line with a dark brown, soft but long staying pencil. I just fill in the color between the lashes and then I blend it to create a soft smoke effect.
Oh my dear, please walk with me until the sun rises back again. Oh my dear, please stay forever. Time will tell what love is all about.
Mascara on the lashes to make them very black, long and voluminous.
my dear, please sing with me. We could share the love across the universe.
And I finish up the second eye and brows behind the scenes. As a finishing touch, I add some sparkling pressed pigment on the center of the eye and in the inner corner.
Oh my dear, please would you be mine? We could do what love is all about. Oh my dear, please hold my hand.
With the same lipstick that I used on the cheeks as blush, I applied 2 layers on the lips with a lip brush. And then with a Q-tip slightly soften the edge to create blended blurred contour. And that's our final fresh look. I think it totally highlights the natural beauty of the model. Please feel free to share your opinion about it in the comments. Let's look at the final result and before after right now.
Oh my dear, please stay forever. Time will tell what love is all about.
Leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you want to watch more like this. I wish you all a great day and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao, ciao!